Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSC Tech with another short video, and in today's video I'm going to show you if you are going to buy a new iPhone, whether it's a brand new iPhone or if it's a used iPhone, then how you can easily and quickly check if your iPhone is original and if it was sold as a refurbished unit or if it's a replacement device provided by Apple or a service provider. So if you ever wonder that how you can check that, so just watch this video till the end, and before we jump into the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button so you get all the upcoming videos in your inbox, and it will keep you notified with every new video we launch. So guys, it's a very straightforward process. Every Apple device that has a specific serial number, which you can check into the settings section. So we will quickly jump into the settings section, and we will see that what are those serial numbers, and then we will explain those in details. So let's see, like we have couple of iPhones, like from all generations. We have iPhone 6s on the left, and then we have 7, then we have XS Max, then we have 6, then we have 7 again. So let's jump into the settings section on these devices, and let me take you to the menu where we are supposed to be, and here we have. So you can do this these checks within a few seconds, and you will know. So first of all, guys, the easiest and the most convenient method is to check the model number, model name in the about section on iPhones. As you can see, iPhone 6, iPhone XS Max, iPhone 7 and iPhone 6s. So that's the first and the most easiest method actually people do when they buy a phone. They check most of the times the housings are changed and you are not aware, but when you go inside the settings, then you can check it from there. The second section is from the model number. If you click on the model number, as you can see that as soon as I click on the model number, a specific serial number appear, that is like 1688, and this one is A1778, and iPhone XS Max has a specific model number associated with this hardware, that is A2101. iPhone 6 is basically 1586, and iPhone 7 that's a Japanese variant, that is A1660. So this is the standard way, guys. But now it comes to the tricky part. If you click the model number again, then it will take you towards another coding, and let me show you. Let's say on the iPhone XS Max, as you can see, here you can see the model number is A2101, and as soon as I click it again, then it will show me another serial number. So guys, just remember that if you see M numbers on these model numbers, they started with M, that they basically, these numbers basically, they means that the device was issued brand new from the manufacturer, that that device was purchased brand new and it was not refurbished. So guys, remember, if you see M starting on the model number, the M, whatever the numbers are going forward, forget about that. The first number should be M. That means your device was purchased new from Apple store or Apple website online, and it was a brand new device, and you should be fine with that device. If you see F instead of M, that means that your device was a certified refurbished device or a quality refurbished device, or it was either way a refurbished device. So guys, F means refurbished. If you see F on these sections, your device will be a refurbished device. You are fine with that as well. You still have rights to know that why it was refurbished, whether the battery was replaced or specific hardware component on your device was replaced. Some manufacturer, they will simply tell you that it was certified refurbished. So basically one part was replaced and one part, either it was a mic, it was a screen, and or whatever that was, but that was replaced by the professional technicians, and the device is now classed as F. N is very tricky. If you see N, then N means that it's a replacement device. You will see like N in rare cases, meaning that the originally bought device was replaced by this model, likely due to service request or for some hardware fault. So you should avoid that device if it's showing N in this section, guys. Remember, if you see N in this section, that device will definitely have some problem in upcoming future. That's why you will see like most refurbished devices with the N serial number, probably 70-30 ratio in terms of price, or like 50% or 60% price to the actual price. So avoid that device, guys. And in some cases you will also see a P letter in these, and that means basically the device is personalized. If you go to Apple Store and request them to do a specific engraving, for example, if it's a school or it's for a gift, very rarely. So guys, I hope you have learned how to check and verify if your device is original, or if it's a certified refurbished, or it's a third-party refurbished. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button so you get all the upcoming notifications. Stay tuned, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.